Task management is one of the simplest ways to make planning truly collaborative. In FP&A, you often need input from business partners, HR approving headcount, department heads updating expenses, or executives reviewing scenarios. Without workflows, you either give them modeling access or chase updates manually over email, Slack, or Teams. Drivetrain solves this with tasks. Let's see how it works in under 2 minutes. Here's a headcount report with proposed hires. As an FP&A owner, I want HR to review and approve them. I'll click Create a Task, add a clear title and description, assign it to Wayne in HR, set a deadline for next week, and add Cody as the reviewer. The reviewer acts as a gatekeeper. Changes only take effect once approved. As soon as the task is created, both Wayne and Cody are notified instantly by email, Slack, or Teams, and inside Drivetrain. When Wayne opens the task, he's taken straight to the table in the report. He can approve or reject each proposed hire directly. Once he saves, the charts using this table update instantly. After he marks the task as done, Cody gets a notification to review. When Cody signs off, the updates flow back into the headcount model, keeping every report that uses this data fully up to date. All tasks are tracked in one place. The task queue shows who it's assigned to, its current status, and any comments or clarifications along the way. Notifications keep everyone aligned, and the full audit trail ensures accountability. Compared to manual workflows and spreadsheets, Drivetrain tasks are structured and reliable. There's no version confusion, no chasing down edits, and no risk of overwriting formulas that affect model integrity. With tasks, collaboration is built into the planning process itself. Updates and approvals flow directly into the model and reports, so plans stay accurate and aligned. That's task management in Drivetrain, all in under 2 minutes. Collaborative planning made powerful, yet simple.